Yo, I became a way better cook when I finally learned how to make a good pan sauce. But then I found a way to take that to a whole nother level. First of all, just get you some carrots, onions, celery, give it a rough chop, a little bit of garlic, throw it in a roasting pan with some bones. I'm gonna throw in some bone marrow, season them up, throw them in the oven for about an hour. But the last 15 minutes, I'm gonna take them out, coat them with some tomato paste, throw them back in the oven, let them finish. Then after that's done, I'm gonna throw it in my stock pot along with the vegetables, try to get all the fond in there, all the extra water, everything, all the flavor. Fill it up with some water, throw some herbs, some bay leaves, some peppercorn, and we're gonna cook it for about 12 to 15 hours. Occasionally, you're gonna have to skim it. The next day or whatever, 15 hours later, put it in your smaller pot, separate the bones, everything, just try to get all that flavor. There's gonna be a lot of fat in there because this is bone marrow, but I have a fat separator, so it's all good. If you don't have one, you're gonna have to put it in the refrigerator overnight and just, slide the fat off, skim it off, enjoy.